Do you ever find yourself wrestling with a tangled mess of XLR cables, wishing there was a cleaner, more modern way to connect your audio equipment? Or maybe you're dreaming of a wireless setup, something sleek and easy to manage, especially when dealing with Lightspeed systems. If so, you're in the right place, because today we're tackling a question that's been buzzing around the audio world. Do you need Bluetooth for Lightspeed? Now, before we dive headfirst into the world of Bluetooth and Lightspeed, let's back up a second and paint a clear picture of what we're talking about. Lightspeed, in the audio realm, generally refers to a type of wireless microphone system. These systems are incredibly popular in education, presentations, and even houses of worship, offering freedom of movement and clear audio transmission. Think of a teacher moving around a classroom, a presenter pacing a stage, or a pastor addressing their congregation. Lightspeed systems make it all possible without being tethered to a podium. Traditionally, Lightspeed systems have relied on dedicated radio frequencies, often in the VHF or UHF bands, to transmit audio signals. This is a robust and reliable method, proven over decades of use. These systems typically consist of a transmitter, worn by the user, and a receiver, connected to a sound system or amplifier. The connection between the transmitter and receiver is wireless, but the connection from the receiver to the rest of your audio setup usually involves cables, often XLR or quarter-inch. So where does Bluetooth fit into all of this? Bluetooth, as we all know, is a short-range wireless technology that allows devices to communicate with each other. It's in our phones, our headphones, our cars. It's practically everywhere. And naturally, people are starting to wonder if it can play a role in their Lightspeed setups. The simple answer, and I want to emphasize this, is no, you do not need Bluetooth for a traditional Lightspeed system to function. The core functionality of a Lightspeed system, the wireless transmission of audio from the transmitter to the receiver, is handled by those dedicated radio frequencies, completely independent of Bluetooth. A Lightspeed system will work perfectly well without a single Bluetooth chip in sight. However, that doesn't mean Bluetooth is irrelevant to the world of Lightspeed. In fact, it's becoming increasingly relevant, and in some cases even integrated. The key is to understand how Bluetooth can be used in conjunction with a Lightspeed system, and what the benefits and drawbacks are. One common use case for Bluetooth in this context is for connecting other audio sources to your Lightspeed receiver. Imagine you want to play some background music during a presentation, or perhaps you want to incorporate audio from a laptop or tablet. Instead of fumbling with cables, you could potentially connect these devices wirelessly to the Lightspeed receiver via Bluetooth. This can simplify setup and make it easier to manage multiple audio sources. Some manufacturers are now incorporating Bluetooth receivers directly into their Lightspeed base stations or receivers. This allows you to seamlessly integrate Bluetooth audio sources into your overall sound system. You can switch between the wireless microphone signal and the Bluetooth audio with the touch of a button, creating a more versatile and flexible setup. Another potential application of Bluetooth with Lightspeed involves control and configuration. Some newer Lightspeed systems offer companion apps that allow you to manage settings, adjust levels, and even monitor the status of your equipment via Bluetooth. This can be a huge convenience, especially for larger or more complex setups. Imagine being able to fine-tune your microphone settings from your phone, without having to physically access the receiver. Now, let's talk about the potential drawbacks of using Bluetooth with Lightspeed. One of the biggest concerns is latency. Bluetooth, while convenient, can introduce a small delay in the audio signal. This latency is usually imperceptible for casual listening, but it can be problematic in certain situations. For example, if you're using a Bluetooth connection to play backing tracks for a live performance, even a small delay can throw off the timing. Another potential issue is interference. Bluetooth operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is also used by Wi-Fi, microwave ovens, and other devices. This can lead to interference and dropouts, which can be particularly frustrating during a critical presentation or performance. While Bluetooth technology has improved significantly over the years, interference is still a possibility, especially in crowded environments. Furthermore, relying on Bluetooth for critical audio paths can introduce a single point of failure. If your Bluetooth connection drops, or if the Bluetooth receiver malfunctions, you could lose your audio signal entirely. With traditional Lightspeed systems, the dedicated radio frequencies provide a more robust and reliable connection. So, circling back to our original question, do you need Bluetooth for Lightspeed? The answer, as we've seen, is no. But can Bluetooth be a useful addition to a Lightspeed system? Absolutely. It can offer greater flexibility, simplify setup, and provide convenient control options. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks, such as latency and interference. If you're considering incorporating Bluetooth into your Lightspeed setup, I recommend carefully evaluating your needs and priorities. If you primarily need a reliable wireless microphone system, and you're not concerned about integrating other audio sources wirelessly, then a traditional Lightspeed system without Bluetooth may be the best choice. On the other hand, if you value convenience and flexibility, and you're willing to accept the potential limitations of Bluetooth, then a Lightspeed system with integrated Bluetooth could be a great option. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your specific requirements and how you plan to use your Lightspeed system. Consider the environment you'll be using it in, the types of audio sources you'll be working with, and the importance of absolute reliability. By carefully weighing these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose the Lightspeed system that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.